able to noticing this picture, you will be able to see at the left side there are the different data sources. The data sources are the one that can be for the SQL databases, that can be for your live application CRM based system, or the data can be coming from the other Oracle base, and all different kinds of data sources are coming now. And all these data sources are moving towards a data lake. The concept of data lake is this is a main hub, can be the cloud system, can be the database which will be getting all the information from all these different sources, and the data which is coming in the data lake, they can be the structured data and they can be the unstructured data. The difference between the structured data and unstructured data will be that structured data is the one which have the symmetry and the consistency, and the unstructured data can be the one which does not have the consistency, and the data can come in the shape of, I would like to say, the images, in the shape of videos, or the data is coming from the web scraping. So these all unstructured data and structured data are coming in your data lake, and under the umbrella of data lake, then we are converting and fetching our expected information towards creating our data warehouse. So this is the data warehouse in which the billions of records which are coming in the data lake, we are extracting, let's say, 60 million records, and those 60 million records we are storage in a centralized repository, and that centralized repository is called as your data warehouse. And the above, the data mart, means that these are the sub databases which have few records, let's say 60,000 records or the 1 million records. And these small data marts we are creating separately for making some of our business decisions. And being as a QA tester, you must know about the business requirements, like what is the main purpose of creating this data mart. This data mart might be can taking the information of your customers, and the second data mart can be consist the information of the customer, how many orders they have placed in certain areas like North America, New York, New Jersey, California. So all these different data marts, we need to have the complete sound knowledge about their existence and about what are the business rules we are applying. And whenever someone else will be looking forward the information, they can easily extract the information for these data marts now. So I hope you will be able to understand the main core concept about the data warehouse versus data lake. Looking forward another next session. Thank you very much for watching this one.